Hello friends. So today we are going to solve one more interesting problem of Python. This is called as single number problem. You can see this question in LeetCode. So what this question says, right? This question says that okay, you have been given a list. Okay, so let's say some number list, right? Example, you can assume like whatever number, right? This is so basically this is a pattern how we write in a list in Python. Okay, so the question is in this list, right, you are given a number, okay, which contains uh, basically multiple numbers. It can have n number, but there's only in that list, right, there's only one number which appears only one time. Okay, and all numbers appear as two times. Okay, so what is the best way? So you need to find what is that single number. Okay, so what you can do, you can think of multiple ways, right, like multiple ways to how to find it. So this is the approach basically. So in this case, right, what is your output should be 1. Why? Because 2 is appeared twice, right, but once here 1 is coming as single, right, only once, so that's why the number is 1. Let's say you have given one more list, for example 414. Okay, so again what is the output should be 1. Why? 2 is coming as twice, 4 is also coming as two times, but here 1 is coming as one time. Okay, so the output can input your input list, right, it will have n number of numbers, and out of this one number will be appeared only as once, and all other number, right, it should appear at two times. That, so basically this is the requirement. Okay, this is how we need to fulfill, right? So how should we find it? So uh, any ideas that you are guessing, like okay, how should we do it? No? Okay, let's let me go through the code. I will walk you through the code how we have done it. Okay, let's see how. So see, here is the question. Okay, so I have done in a very simple manner. Okay, so how we are going to do it? So what I've done is like I'm just iterating a loop. Okay, what I'm saying using a for loop, that I need to start from 0th index and I have to go to the till the last length of n, right? So length in the range, right, if you whatever the last one we are giving, right, it is exclusive, so it will not go to the name n, right, basically the length of the list, it will go to n minus 1, basically length of list minus 1. So till here it will go, right, and I've created a variable result equals to 0, and now I am doing a XOR operation. What I'm doing, XOR operation. Okay, so what I'm doing here is XOR operation, and if you just execute this function, right, this code, you will see the value. So let's say I've executed one this command, this code, right, so it is coming as 1. Now similarly I'm just changing the values. Let's say I've given here is 5. Okay, you will see 5. So now you need to understand what this XOR operation does, right? So XOR operation, what it says is, if you're doing any operation with the same number, so let's say number is a a is 0 always. If you're saying 0 XOR a is always a. Similarly, a XOR 0 is always a. So now see here what we are doing it. We are doing with every loop, right? 0. So the first iteration, right? 0 0 XOR list of I. So 2, 0 XOR 2 is what? 2, correct? Then again 2 XOR 2, what it says? 0 it will become, right? 0 XOR 4, 4, right? Then you can think of like 0 XOR 5, what it will give. So basically how that it will looks like. See here, if I have to just do right, 0 2 2 4 5 4, right? So 4 4 will become 0, 2 2 will become 0, and 0 5 is 5. So it means we are getting the answer as 5, right? So this is the rule that we need to remember it, right? I hope you could understood like what the problem statement is and like how we are going to do it. So don't do a by heart, just give a try what it says. So let's say we will do one more thing just to make you understand how we are doing it. What? So basically XOR is a bitwise operator, bitwise operations that we are doing, right? So let's say 2, right? So what it says, 0 1, then again 0 1, right? Same number, always 0, right? So I hope you understood like what the XOR operation does, right, and how it works. So if you are doing the same operation with the same number, right, it will always be 0. So now I'm just removing this one and just giving one more input, right, to understand. See, and instead of 5 I just make 9, for example. See what output is giving, 9. So I hope you got how we are doing it, right? Yeah, this is what like I was trying to cover in this video. Thank you.